Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you exactly step by step on how you can find a profitable YouTube automation niche. So before we get started and diving into my laptop, I first want to say it really comes down to two key points. I'm directly starting off this video, so if you like that, make sure you like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. So let's dive right into it. So the two key points that you need to know for YouTube automation and finding a profitable YouTube channel is the following. First, it's a volume. And with volume, I mean the amount of viewers that a niche or channel gets on average. So meaning if a niche on average gets about 60,000 views per video, that means that this is a good amount of volume. So then we go over the second point, and the second point is CPM. CPM stands for cost per mile, and mile is the Latin word for 1,000. So how much advertisers are spending per 1,000 views. This you want to combine. So if the volume is high enough and the CPM is high enough, it's most likely going to be a profitable YouTube niche. But then whenever a niche, as an example, the celebrity niche, your average viewer count per video might be about 30,000 views and the CPM might be $2. So you're going to be spending $60 per video and you're going to be making $60 per video. So there's nothing profitable on this. So this niche we would definitely skip and we would mark this niche as not being profitable. But then I already know what you're going to ask me is, Wanner, how do you know what CPM this niche is? And this is actually quite simple. So just think, or just make sure your ad blocker is off and type in the niche and look at which advertisements are actually behind these videos. Because for celebrity videos, it can be whatever, because it's not really niche specific, meaning that it doesn't matter who's advertising on it, it just matters on the volume. So you just want to target people or retarget people. That will only thing happen on these videos. So we know for the celebrity niche, it's only going to be really low. But let's say I have a niche talking about camera gear and like microphones. I know that my CPM could be between $6 and $10 and maybe even a little bit higher depending on what kind of brands and videos I'm talking to. Because if I say this microphone sounds amazing, so if you want to purchase that, I just brand it up with, I didn't, so YouTube don't flag me that I say that I do. It's just that if you would give a proper shout out to the microphone, then that makes sure that people who are selling microphones would use this video to target their ads to make sure it's shown to the people that are already interested in that microphone, because then the chance is higher for you to buy it. So that being said, they can advertise more on these kind of things that they can do on a celebrity channel. And my favorite example is the gadget niche. So for the gadget niche, the volume would be about 60,000 viewers. And I'll show you that on my screen as well. So let me actually do that. Let me show you right into my screen. Let me start my screen recording and let's dive right into my screen. All right, so here we find a channel, 7.4K views in 2 days, 889K in 3 months, 1.5 million in 3 months. Here we have 83,000 in 1 month, and that's actually one of my students, so that's really nice to see. So let's actually go over his channel. So once we go to videos, we can actually go ahead and scroll down and see that the videos are consistently improving right now. So here's 290,000 in 13 days, 48,000 in 12 days, then 14,000 in 6 days. So it's consistently doing really well since he started listening really good. So good job to you, you know that I'm talking to you. So that looks really good, but here you can see this phase where he just had random thumbnails wasn't doing so good. In the beginning it was doing really well. So you can see the high amount of views is doing incredible. So then once we go scroll down, we go over another niche, as an example, UFAC channel, or UFAC tech. You can see 50,000, 60,000, 98,000, 97,000, 88,000, 132, 101, 92, 91, 164 here, 895,000 viewers in a month. So with that, we can just already conclude this niche as being profitable. The thumbnails are very easy, it's just one gadget plus the text, just a little extra effect. I like this little red effect because it's also displayed on the box. So that's very nice done. Here you have him again, nice. And then here you have another channel, 6.1k Gadget Pro, 2.4k subs. And here we can see even a small channel is still getting 2,000 views, 2,000 views, 6,000 views. So we can still see a bunch of views. Only thing I do have to say, some of the thumbnails are a little bit boring, but they're working, so good job on him as well. I did a review on this channel earlier, so it definitely still has some improvements to go. Then we go to Tech Zone. This of course is 4 million subs, but you can see there's a lot of inventions, a lot of concepts they talk about, a lot of gadgets they talk about, and this gets millions of views as well. So for the reason, I conclude this niche as being profitable. But the downside point that people tell me is, but Wanner, this is so competitive, I don't know what to do. The only thing that you have to do to create better videos is to simply create better videos. That's it. There's no competition if you create good videos. If I'm gonna be creating the highest quality of videos, I will not have any competition because people want to watch my videos, because I give the best examples, because I give people insights on how the industry actually works, because I do these things that make sure that the viewer, you are interested in watching this. And let me show you the example of the celebrity niche. So let's dive back into my screen. Celebrity news. Let's just type it in and see what is gonna pop up. So imagine having a channel that has 3.7 million subscribers, but only getting 1,800 viewers in 18 hours, because nobody cares. Then here you have one of the bigger niche sources. This is 30,000 viewers in one day. And this even is low. If that's a $2 niche, then that's gonna be $60 for sure on a 2-minute video. Then here you have Watch Mojo. What is top 10 celebrities who ruined their careers in 2020 so far. What is actually not a bad topic to talk about, and the title is pretty good as well. So 1.6 million, but they have 24 million subscribers. They produce a bunch of videos. They're a general top 10 channel. So let's actually open that and I'll give you that as a last example to watch at. Top 10 celebrities you won't recognize. It's not a cash cow video, but it gets pretty close. They hire people to make the videos for them. Then if we keep scrolling down, we don't see any views or any channels that are really big. Here is 42,000 views, but they have again 4 million subscribers, and this is the #1 network, that's TMZ. Here you have 10 million views in 2 years. Like, that's profitable. That's like really, really good. It's on a sad video, but this is a video that can actually make some money. So it's just that in this niche, if you do this niche, it's okay, but make sure and just remember that these are the videos you're going to be making money of. The rest you won't. Your individual video won't make a lot of money. But the specific video that will start performing really well, that is the video that will go viral. You need to have such good news sources. You need to be on it directly. If a news source got brought out 3 hours ago, the video needs to be uploaded tomorrow. Because if other people upload it first, they probably won't watch your video because they've already received the news. So with this, it's a very tricky niche. And for this reason, I wouldn't personally go into this niche. I'm not in this niche and I've never been. So maybe I can't judge on that, but on my opinion, on what I can see of 5.5 years of doing this a lot and making over $3 million, I have never gone into this niche, just for those reasons. Then the last example that I wanted to give you is Watch Mojo, just because I want to give extra value. So because I want to give extra value, I want to show you what a top 10 channel looks like. So here we have a bunch of videos, 66, 43, 71, 27, 20. The funny thing is this would be paid around $3 per 1,000 views. Well, it isn't necessarily a lot, but it's also not nothing. And how longer the videos are, as an example for the 15-minute and the 18-minute one, they will probably be paid about $4, meaning that this would probably be around $280 and this would be about $160. This would be about $240. The top 10 most brutal deaths in Saw movies, top 10 greatest sci-fi horror movies of all time, top 10 differences between House of Dragons and I can't read that. So they have so many videos they post. We're still only 1 day in. So in the last 24 hours, they've posted over 15 videos. That's insane. But they can make videos talking about anything and everything. They're a network to produce mass content. They probably have a lot of people working for them to consistently create these videos. And the thing is, they're focused on just those videos that pop off and get more viewers. So this is 300k in 4 days. That means about $1,200. What is insane. Then once we go and we look at how many viewers are they getting, they're getting 72 million viewers per 30 days. And it's just normal quality. It's not specifically high or anything. So if we look at 15 videos a day, they spend 900 a day. Multiply that by 30, you get about 27,000. What is a lot. But I do have to say, you can probably get a big discount because you are employing these people. In this case, if you're so big, I would recommend you doing so as well, because you can just produce a lot more content. If the people are specifically working for you, it probably gets a little bit cheaper. So instead of making it 27,000 as a cost, I'm actually gonna make it about 2/3. I'm gonna make it 20,000 a month. But then, even with that said, they're bringing in 280,000 a month. So even if the cost was 30, let's say just the cost to run this channel is $30,000 a month. That means that this channel would bring in $250,000 of profit every single month. Just let that sink in. $250,000 each month for a cash cow channel like this. That's the power of producing a lot of videos. So that's the difference between posting just high quality tech videos, between celebrity news where you need to be fast, and Watch Mojo or like top 10 videos where you just need to produce as many videos as possible. Those are the key elements. So that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new, got some insights. And if you want even more insights, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @WannerCashCow. Send me blueprint and I will personally send you a document that teaches you everything from A to Z to make sure that you can start posting these videos profitable on your own YouTube channel. That being said, thank you so much and bye.